invested in fixed deposits, the interest that is accruing to the Wage Association. The Madras High Court in the case of the partner cost of collector says it is not to be taxed. Whereas Delhi High Court gives a different point. That it is getting exempt. That's what I remember the rent. But as regarding the rent, we have got enlightenment.
Your opinion, please tell me, sir. I am here enlightening you, but I am not putting the question. Senior persons like you should have your opinion. You right or wrong?
No, we just want to tell you that we are not being sleepy.
See, one teacher, without a mic, he says, last person, are you able to hear me? The last person says, no. Then you are not able to hear, how can you say no? So that is the answer that my senior has given. So, the question is, the principles of mutuality as examined by the courts is, the person who is the cause for contribution of the income shall be the beneficiary. The persons who contribute the income must be the persons to enjoy. That means you are contributing for your own sake. Then the principles of mutuality will apply. That's what they say. For example, I will give you 2-3 examples to explain you this point in better. Because by wrong notion we will be claiming, or by wrong notion we may not be claiming, they are very entitled to. I put a simple question. Employees provident fund. Let us say there is no employer contribution class. Employees only will contribute, the provident fund is maintained. Now my question is this a public trust or a private trust? Employees provident fund trust. Is it a public trust or a private trust?
It's a private trust.
Yes, sir. So you know, the Income Tax Act is having schedules. At present, 18 schedules are there. 4th schedule, part 1 deals with provident funds. A recognized provident fund. It must be a trust and it must satisfy the conditions. Clause 4 says the conditions of that part 1 of schedule 4. So now, part 2 deals with the superannuation fund and part 3 with the gratuity fund. So these funds must be formed as trusts. If you want the recognition. For recognized gratuity fund only what you contribute is deductible, otherwise say actual gratuity payments are allowable, non-contributions are not allowable. So you form any company, employees are there, statutorily as a level of pressure, you have to float a trust. Now the question is the trust a private trust or a public trust? One senior sir said it is a private trust. Only one person said, yes, sir?
Because it is not covered in section 11, it comes under section.
That's what I say, sir. It is not covered. If it is covered by 11, there is a question of forming part of the schedule. Because it is not covered by 11 only, the schedule is there in the Income Tax Act. Yes, sir?
The beneficiaries are identified.
You are right. It is a private trust. It is not a public trust. But for public cause, the government has constituted. Because a Provident Fund is a Provident Fund Act 1925. Or a private trust you create and get the recognition of from the commissioner to apply to the commissioner how to apply, what conditions you have satisfied are there in Schedule 4, Part 1. So now, this Provident Fund Trust, though it is a private trust, its income is exempt under the Income Tax Act specifically, provided it is a recognized Provident Fund. So, you satisfy the conditions. So, it is for the benefit of those employees only, nobody else. But even then, because it is for a public purpose, so specifically the Income Tax Act included even such private trust income is exempt. Not only its income is exempt, in the employees' hands who are going to get the interest on their contribution fund and also that income up to a particular rate of interest is exempt in the hands of the employees. Beneficiaries' hands also is exempt. Not only in the trust hands, the income. So now, coming back to the example and the question before us, the rent you receive from cell tower is taxable income because it is not a building that is let out, it is on a plain roof you have let out under the head other sources. Now the second supplementary question is, to the extent in the receipts and payment account, the member's contribution is giving the surplus, you have to identify that is exempt on the principle of mutuality, not by any particular section. Over and above that, what you receive as rent for the cell tower is only taxable. Because of that, total income is not going to be taxed. Still, the principles of mutuality, to the extent the income is identifiable from the members, is exempt, and for the remaining only, you please offer it to taxation.
Excuse me, in the case of educational trust, most of the colleges they have the cell towers. So in that case, applying the conjugate case, the income so received by you.
First of all, section 11 is an exemption section. Section 12 is conditions, positive conditions. Section 13 is negative conditions. A trust or institution which is a public charitable purpose or public religious purposes. Public religious, there can be private religious, there can be public religious. There cannot be a private charitable. There can be only a public charitable. So, the public religious purpose, public charitable purpose, trust or institutions, if they register under 4.CA, and satisfy the conditions, getting the accounts audited, filing the return annually, their income is exempt under section 11 to the extent specified in 11. I am coming to this question. What section 11 says? Income derived from the property of the trust. Income derived from the property of the trust. Next sentence. To the extent it is applied during the previous year, proviso. If it is not able to apply 85% of its income during the previous year, that means 15% if you are not utilizing also, no problem. 100% income is exempt. But if you are not able to utilize 85% minimum, then to the extent it is not able to utilize, two options are given. Either in the next immediately subsequent year you can utilize the money by filing along with the return only a white paper letter saying, this year I am not able to utilize, this much money I will utilize next year immediately following year. Or, this is section 11.1. Section 11.2, it says, by filing form 10, form 10 contains a clause, on so and so date the resolution passed. So by passing the proper resolution, you can accumulate or you can specify for a specific purpose within the coming 5 years how you are going to utilize this money. Then also the shortfall is to be exempted in the year of you filing this form 10. But in the 5th year, if you are not going to utilize, it will become the income of the 6th year. That is the mechanism of section 11.13. Now, SIRC's question is, an education institution derived some income. That income is not only school fees or say college fees, cell tower rent also it receives. Though that cell tower rent is utilized for payment of salaries or general expense of this objective, is it exempt or not is the question. Yes, sir?
Incidental or not?
Your question is income exempt or not? Or
Exempt. Incidentally it gets exempted. Once you say that it is incidental and then the application is there, then it gets exempt. So my question is,
mutuality you are applying, which is not we have got a dichotomy. Any public charitable organization cannot claim principles of mutuality. Principles of mutuality means for private purpose. Where is the question of claiming public charitable purpose? So you are fixing this question.
I stand corrected.
Thank you. So in the case of public charitable purpose, the incidental incomes also if you use for, even for that matter, donation. Donation can be two types. Section 11(1)(d), capital receipts. You didn't say the word capital receipt. Any donation with a specific direction given to be used for specific purpose shall be excluded from computing this 85%. So it automatically goes to the balance sheet, a capital receipt. Whether you use it or whether you make it a fixed deposit is a secondary question. So only the other receipts or donations shall be utilized in computing this 100% and application. So in the case of a mutually benefited oriented institutions, To the extent the members contribute the income, that income is exempt. That's not exempt, it's not taxable. I should use the word. Exempt means section 10 should speak about. Deduction means section 18 should speak about. So for these mutually linked organizations, no specific section is there that based on the principles, the court's jurisprudence, the income need not be offered to tax. Now, the set our income for the case of a residence association is taxable. Now the question, at which rate? Whether claiming basic exemption or not? Can anybody give the answer, sir?
If it is registered in a society as a district act,
Yes, it is registered as Societies Act.
you get that basic.
Sir?
You get that basic exemption.
Anybody else, sir?
Body of individuals.
Sir?
Body of individuals.
Don't we call it as. There are two entities in Income Tax Act. The person definition section 231 deals about the body of individuals and AOP. So now you are saying it is BOI, not. It is AOP only. It is not BOI. BOI by law, it divorce, it falls on, then it is body of individuals. But if the members voluntarily do it, it is AOP. So here the residents voluntarily join, not by law, so then it is AOP only. So now, sir. Sir gave the answer that it is entitled to basic exemption. It appears to contradict.
It's not entitled to basic.
That's how I want the answer, sir. So we should debate and discuss. Why, sir? Any other basis for your answer?
No, even in the case of a partnership firm, there is no basic exemption.
No.
Number two, the beneficiaries are not specifically identifiable and the extent of benefit is not specifically mentioned.
No, in residential association,
So it is like a firm,
To 166 you should go through of the Income Tax Act. Section 160 to 166. So if it is a AOP where any individual member has got separate income, where the income shall be distributed among the members, if such member is having some other income which is above the basic rate, this will suffer MMR, maximum marginal rate. This suffers maximum marginal rate, otherwise normal rate. So in this case, members are not entitled. The house owners association, apartment owners association, you will have the clause that at any time no surplus shall be distributed among the members. Because a owner 10 years was there, his income is accumulated. When he is going to leave you, if he sells his apartment and goes out, because he is the person who contributed all these 10 years, will he give the money? No. So the problem may come and how to give, how to distribute, it's very difficult. So you write in the Societies Act itself, as per Societies Act, income shall not be distributed among members. So no income shall be distributed. So when no income shall be distributed, no portion of the member is identified, it's a common good fact. So no share is identifiable from the common. Then it is taxable without a basic rate at normal rate. Normal rate is actually the basic income. MMR will not apply. So the circular you should go through, not by section. So by the circular coupled with these sections, if you read only where the MMR will apply, where MMR will not apply, you will be able to know it. So now I have to rush through. Sir? Sir?
No basic exemption. No basic exemption.
Sir, it is taxable, but if it is a society registered without profits being distributed to the members, the basic limit will come. Basic limit will come. Basic limit and normal rate will come. That is the answer. So now, sir, up to what time shall I close?